Hello, and welcome to Big Life Plan. On our road to a bigger life, today, we're learning the solutions of a problem that prevents us being healthy and energetic in our daily life: the unpredictable energy swings caused by blood sugar. Don't worry, we'll lighten this troublemaker health concern with some artistic touch and also some humor. Think of your day as a playlist that sometimes skips or glitches unexpectedly, those frustrating moments when your energy plummets without warning. Over time, small adjustments and habits have helped many keep away from those exhausting peaks, turning a rocky day into a steady rhythm of energy and well-being. I'm here to share 7 practical steps that have made a real difference for people looking for a more balanced life. This isn't textbook advice, it's down-to-earth tips, backed by research and real-life trials, seasoned with a humorous touch along the way. Step 1. Start meals with non-starchy vegetables. Think of your plate like a stage for a performance. Instead of launching straight into heavy, full of carb dishes, try starting with colorful, non-starchy vegetables. Crisp greens, vibrant bell peppers, or a few lightly steamed broccolis. The fiber in these veggies works like a gentle usher, calming the digestive system before the main act arrives. This small change helps prevent the rapid sugar surges that can send energy into a tailspin. It's like setting the mood with a smooth intro before the concert begins. Step 2. Pair carbs with protein and healthy fats. Picture your favorite snack, maybe an apple or a slice of toast. Now add a sidekick, a smear of almond butter or a few walnuts. Combining carbohydrates with protein and healthy fats creates a balanced duo that slows sugar absorption. This simple pairing turns a potential roller coaster of energy into a steady stream. It's like having a reliable friend by your side when things get a little too wild, a partnership that keeps your energy under control and your taste buds happy. Step 3. Keep a food and energy journal. I would admit, keeping a journal might sound a bit old school, but it can be surprisingly eye-opening. Many people swear by jotting down what they eat along with notes on how they feel afterward, kind of like having your very own diary for your body. And over time, those entries reveal patterns: which meals leave you feeling energized and which ones lead to a slump. It's a bit like piecing together clues in a personal mystery, where each note helps you approach to your best self. Step 4. Enjoy a short walk after meals. After meals, instead of sinking into the couch, we all know that temptation, consider a brisk 10 to 15-minute walk. It might seem like a small move, but this mini stroll can help your body process food more efficiently and keep those sugar spikes away. For many people, that walk becomes a cherished ritual, a moment of calm and refreshment in the middle of a busy day. Plus, it's a great excuse to step outside, calm and clear your head. Step 5. Hydrate before eating. Drinking water might sound like always a good choice, but timing matters. Drinking a full glass of water before your meal can set the stage for a smoother digestion process. Not only does it keep you properly hydrated, but it also helps you feel a bit fuller, so you might end up eating a bit more mindfully. Think of that glass as a little signal to your body: we're about to have something nourishing. Get ready. Many people find that this simple habit makes a noticeable difference in how they feel afterward. Step 6. Tweak your meal timing. The classic 3 meals a day routine isn't unchangeable. Some have found that shifting to smaller, more frequent meals can provide a steadier flow of energy throughout the day. Instead of waiting until you're full hungry and then experiencing a crash later, try eating balanced snacks every few hours. It's a bit like switching from an unpredictable blockbuster to a well-edited series. Each episode plays its part in keeping the overall story smooth and engaging. Step 7. Customize your approach. If there's one takeaway from this conversation, it's that there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's body has its own quirks, much like your favorite pair of well-worn sneakers that just fit right. Experiment with these strategies, whether it's the veggie-first approach, pairing carbs with fats, keeping a journal, taking that post-meal walk, hydrating smartly, or adjusting your meal schedule. Over time, you'll discover what works best for you. And don't worry if you stumble a bit along the way. Every small step is a win on the journey to better health. These 7 steps offers practical ways to help keep away from those energy spikes and bring more balance to your day. Your experiences matter, and I'd love to hear what works for you. Feel free to share your thoughts and any fun discoveries in the comments. If you enjoyed this chat and found it useful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to Big Life Plan for more honest, down-to-earth health insights. Thank you for spending time here today. Every small adjustment you make is a step toward a more balanced, energized life, and that's something to smile about.